Blackbird by the Beatles, you only need to master one right hand picking pattern. To master playing Blackbird by the Beatles, you have to learn one right hand picking pattern and a few different things in the left hand. The third finger on the third fret of the E string like this, and then with your thumb and your middle finger, you just pluck the E and the B strings like that. Then the index finger plucks the G like that. Then open A, and then the middle finger plucks the first fret, or the middle finger plucks the B string, and then your left hand first finger goes on the first fret of the B string like this. So you go. Then middle finger, second fret, A string, pinky, third fret, B string like this. And then you pluck the G. Then slide up so that your pinky is on the 12th fret of the B string, and then your first finger will be on the 10th fret of the A string. Now here's where the next part of the picking pattern comes in. Thumb on the A string, middle finger on the B string, open G, middle finger, thumb, middle, index. Thumb and middle together. Thumb and middle together, index on the G, middle on the B, thumb on the A, B middle, index G. Now, this part. So we're going to start index finger on the, or first finger on the third fret of the A string, and the pinky goes on the 5th fret of the B string, and we pluck both of those together like that with the open G. Always the open G in this song. Like that. Then middle finger on the 4th fret of the A, and then first finger goes on the 3rd fret of the E, then the middle finger will pluck the E string, and the thumb will pluck the A, followed by an open G, like that. Then the next one goes up to 7 and 9, like that. So it does the same thing as before, just on 7 and 9, or sorry, 5 and 7, and then 6 and 5. Then we go up to the 7th fret on the A string, and then the pinky goes on the 8th fret of the B string. Then we do that pattern we did when we were up here before, that pattern, but this time we're here on the 7th fret of the A string and the 8th fret of the B string. And we do that. Thumb on A, middle on B, together, open G, B string, A string, B, G. Then the index, the first finger goes down to the 6th fret like this. So it's all together. it does that. So then we go to 7 and 9 on the A and B strings, and we pluck the thumb and middle together, open G, so far. Then we do this walk down where we start on 3 and 5, and we do that same pattern as before. Then 3 and 4, 2 and 3, open in 2, so open A and 2nd fret B, and then open in 1 on the B, and then like that. 3rd fret of the E, 3rd fret of the E, and then open B with the pattern all together. And then so that part goes like this. So it's 3 and 5 with the open G, 2 and 3, and then pattern again. The whole thing one more time. Now we have to do the chorus, and that's the only other part of this song. So for the chorus section, we have the first finger on the 8th fret of the A string and the pinky on the 10th fret of the B. And we do thumb and middle together, and then we pluck the open G like that. Then the first finger, then the first finger goes to the 7th fret of the A string, and then the middle finger goes to the 8th fret of the B, like that. So we go. Then we bring this down a whole step, like that, to the 5th fret of the A string and the 6th fret of the B. So far we have this. Sorry, one more time. Like that. And then 3 and 5, but we just pluck the A string and the B string like this, and then open G. Then 1 and 3 with the pattern. Then we go back to 3 and 5 with the pattern. Then it does the walk down. Now I'll play the whole chorus for you. If you've made it this far, please stick around and I will play through the entire thing one more time. If you have any questions about learning this song, please let me know in the comments below. Thank you for watching.